Hi Tracy, looking at your work. Let's see, I'm gonna skip over any sort of decoration and just go directly into your pieces. Let me get this arranged right. Okay, so my focus on the class is your uh, web interface. However, I will make comments on design work. Oh, yeah, I remember this. I probably suggested that you use a brush on the line work, but what you've got going on in the head is really cool. That looks good. I wouldn't change a thing. Also looks great. Keep in mind, you also want to show a flat piece for your portfolio. A lot of students now are getting really carried away with templates that they find online, but an art director just wants to see your work. It is cool to see it like this, but at the same time, I, for one, would want to see how you rendered the bottom of this glass. Is it a perfect ellipse or is it drawn a little off? It's kind of hard to tell if it's at an angle. That's cute. Good typography. These digital manipulation pieces are a little overdone by students. Consider not putting this in there. The typography looks great. All right, that's fine. This would get you a job at a newspaper in the wanted area or the back of a magazine. Good to show you have that capability. All right. It's hard to read type that's on a background. That's my main comment for that. The logo looks fantastic, and I like the outline of the airplane. What you're showing in here, though, sitting on a warm beach, I would associate Alaska with that, especially somebody not dressed for it. Maybe you want to show more mountainous or glacier sort of things. I think that's what attracts people to Alaska. So this must be a hair salon. It's not super clear what's going on with these circles, but I like the MRT a lot. Website we'll look at later. These photographs are really not professional at all. I'm sure your teacher told you that. You should use at least 2 lamps when you're taking photographs of objects. You need more than one light source. You can fix that in Photoshop, adjusting the brightness contrast and by using masks. Like maybe mask out the jars and then brighten up the background and then go into the jars specifically and brighten those up a bit. You should be able to do that without any problem. Now this looks cute. Is that a basket? Can't really tell at this angle. You're really good with typography. I like your type choices. They're very creative. Again, fantastic. It's great to show this grid too. More illustration. And again, you got to vary that line weight. This looks like you did use a little bit of a brush, but there's enough details in there that don't look like they've been touched by a brush. So it makes me kind of want to zoom in a little bit. You want to show variety is what I'm getting at. But again, beautiful typography. That really seems to be your strong suit is creative typography. Yeah, absolutely. And this is a fantastic monogram, very creative and strong. Shows me that you're good at really getting the personality of something across, which is not easy. And again, girl, you can't use these templates like crazy because if I'm an art director, I'm going to want to see the details. This is a fantastic design, but I got to kind of look at it at an angle and it's a little dark. I don't care about it being a book. I just want to see the design. Great grid work. That'll get you the job. Maybe not such a great photograph here. Is it all super faded or is it just a dark photo? Again, with the same line art. Great drawing, very fun, quirky. I think you should use all of these. Okay, so basically my thoughts are I think you're really good at logo stuff and typography. Your photography isn't so great. You got to fix that. And then I would move away from using templates and the same exact line weight throughout. Let me know if you're confused or it doesn't make sense or you have questions for me. Bye-bye.